You've got a lot of news out there today. I'm always happy to have you. So let's just start with the underlying business and what you're reporting and what you're projecting, because the sales miss wasn't very big, but it does follow a very long streak of beating same-store sales and strong growth that you have seen in the grocery business. So what's happening?
Yeah, if you look, it's really bifurcated. If you look at customers that are higher income, those customers are continuing to shop more with us, meaningfully increase. And the positive of that is that customer base is more profitable overall. If you look at customers that are being constrained on a budget, that growth, the trends are improving, but not, they would still be negative. And that customer's still under a lot of pressure from lower SNAP payments, the higher interest rates and the economy overall and inflation. So it's really a bifurcation, and it also shows you the strength of the overall business model with alternative profits, and some of those things are supporting the growth overall in total.
And just talk us through that. So what does that mean? That basket sizes are smaller, that traffic is down, that people are going to generic and private label? How does it impact you?
Yeah, if you look, it's people are buying entry price point items. They're buying items more when it's on promotion. They're buying smaller sizes. So it's an 8-ounce size as opposed to, a 16-ounce size. But it's happening throughout everything. Now, we would not consider our brands as generic, but if you look at entry price point, certainly you see people buying more of the entry price point items.
Also, you warn that disinflation or even deflation in some categories is happening faster, and that hurts. What are you seeing on prices?
Yeah, if you look at like eggs, milk, some of those categories are actually deflationary, which is really good for certain customers because, as an example on eggs, they're back where now you can routinely find them for, $1 to $1.20 a dozen, where before they were, $3 to $5. So, it is helping. If you look at chicken and some of those things, it's lower prices there as well. So it is helping that customer on a budget to be able to stretch their budget. So it's all of those things together. Now we would still expect overall inflation to be in the 1% type range at the end of the year.
Okay. What's happening with market share, Rodney, and price competition with Walmart, the largest competitor? Because they posted good earnings and they point to strength as consumers prioritize groceries.
Yeah, and on market share, it really gets back to the things we were talking about before. If you look at the upscale customer, the number of households we have, loyal households, all of those areas we're growing in, and there's good strength there. If you look at the customer on a budget, that would be where more of the pressure would be. So overall, we're not happy or satisfied with where we are, and we're going to continue to focus on improving from where we are. But, the thing that's really important is we have been continuing to grow both households and loyal households, and over time, those customers move up what we call the loyalty ladder and spend more money with us.
Is that what you meant? Because you said in the beginning that some of the pressure on the low-income consumers, you saw improving?
We saw improvements in trends there, but there's still more work to be done.
Got it. Let's get to the maybe second most important news that you delivered today, which was the $1.2 billion opioid settlement. How does this compare to your own expectations, and how do you think it'll impact business going forward?
Yeah, if you look at the national settlement, overall it was pretty consistent with what others that have previously settled have paid. And, as part of our announcement, that will be paid over 11 years. And that was really important to be able to pay it over time so that we can manage it in the business and it doesn't affect the money that we be able to invest in our associates, invest in customers and things, and we can manage it over time. So it was consistent with what we expected, and we'll be able to move forward from where we are.